Good day and welcome back to the channel that's been quiet for many months. And anyway, today's exciting. We are going to tackle this area of the outside. We got a planter from the Poleyard, thanks to the Poleyard, and we're going to make this area nice and beautiful.
Stunning, it's about time.
What we like about this planter is it's not open all the way to the bottom, so it's closed off here, so you don't have to fill the whole thing up with soil, just in the compartments, which is pretty cool. It makes it a lot lighter, easier to move around and easier to fill. Let's go. So we first need to clear the area, pull out all the weeds, tidy it up, and then put it back. Yeah, so now get the planter in and get the soil in.
No, important step.
Oh, important step. We're going to put plastic on the inside of the planter, just so all the soil doesn't fall through, but also to protect the wood and make it last a little bit longer than it would being in direct contact with wet soil. So, all right, so there you have it. We put it in, stapled it and cut the edges off, leaving a little bit of gap there so you don't see the plastic. The plastic's really thin, so we're going to take another bag, just the whole bag, like such.
And like so.
And like so, and like such, and line it in there. And then poke holes in the bottom so the water can get out.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Got some compost from the compost heap and fill it up.
Well,
Probably halfway.
yeah, I think just a small layer in every level.
And with normal compost, about halfway in each section, and now we're going to mix in mushroom compost, guano, bat poo, and herb potting soil. Mix that all up into the top layers.
Yeah.
If we don't have enough, we will add in some potting soil.
Yeah. But the people at the garden centre said the herb potting mix is probably best for all the herbs.
Yeah.
So yeah. We've kind of got sidetracked from planting the other day, but today is the day. I'm going to plant all these babies in this baby. Okay? Are you going to help me?
Yep.
Okay.
That should be a chore.
Hmm?
Should be a chore.
Watering these is going to be a chore, but planting these is just going to be fun.
I just
So we're thinking tomatoes near the back because they grow up, and then a variation of other things down here. I'm going to work out the spacing, and it looks like we have a little bit too much, so we'll put some in pots on the side. I did not realize how much space one needs to leave between things, but that's okay. We've just got more plants to plant.
way more.
Way more. But that's another day and another
What?
planter. But this is going to be great.
Hi and welcome back. It's been a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, goodness me, since we last planted it. I'm going to show you where it's at. Tomatoes are doing really well, growing.
Hey, there's even some tomato little flowers that will be.
Yeah, and basil is growing quite a bit as well.
And the thyme.
And the leeks
The sage has
and
died pretty much. And
Chives.
these marigolds, I think, also are not digging how often they're being watered, maybe.
yeah, we're probably watering a bit too much. Yeah, it's working really well. We're using it quite a bit in our cooking as well, which is great to have fresh herbs. So yeah.
Success!
Yes.